Let's take a walk through the code in this LabVIEW project. Taking a look at the overall structure inside the LabVIEW project, we've got two VIs, PC main and RT main. These VIs have the same block diagram. It's just a simple process loop that calls show available IP addresses once every half a second. Let's take a closer look at the sub-VI. Here we have the string to IP function with the multiple output option enabled, and that returns an array of 32-bit addresses for all of the available IP addresses. IP to string turns these into more human-readable format. You can have either a numerical format or a string with the host name. The case structure looks at the error cluster coming in, and if there's no error, we do the normal processing. If there is an error, we bypass all processing and deliver the error as the output. Let's take a look at where we can find the function subpalette. We'll look under Data Communication, Protocols, TCP, and here we have IP to string as well as string to IP functions.